launch control. Okay guys, we're doing it. 0 to 60 test. Garrett, you're at the reins of this beast. Let's see what you can do. Ready?
So we were waiting for the brand new car to get here. We have a 2018 McLaren 720S. I'm hearing some noise. It sounds like it actually might be it. And I am right, there it is. Yeah, you're good right here, man.
Gonna get let down when you see the other vehicle behind it. But
all right, man, you look nervous. What's going on?
I'm not nervous, I'm excited. I'm ready to get this Honda out of the way so we can see what's behind it.
Wait, the Honda isn't yours?
throw my booties on. Beautiful car.
Nice maneuver.
Thing is insane. So I've come from the Urus, Aston Martin Vanquish V12, had a Bentley Continental GT Speed, which is a W12. My beautiful Urus is leaving me. It's getting ready to get loaded up on this truck and head to Florida. Got the new car coming in pretty soon too, so there's one loaded up. Now time to move on to the Aston. So both cars are actually going in here, and both headed to Florida. So that was the Lamborghini, now it's time to go grab the Aston. I always like to do a nice inspection, a pre-inspection, taking pictures, noting anything that might be wrong with the car, so that way if it gets damaged in transport. I'm excited about getting something else in the future. I'm about to hit the hay, and until next time, cars, and I'm excited to see what's coming. Hopefully Friday, which is in 2 days. It's Wednesday night right now at 10 o'clock. Right now, it's gonna be me and the Raptor. That thing is beautiful and it is fun, so it's just gonna be me and him for a little while until the new car gets here, and then that's gonna be my daily for a while. Good night, I am out. And then I've gone to this, which is actually a V8, but it's turboed. And so that turbo just makes all the difference in the world. You don't get that sound like that V12, the naturally aspirated V12, but you know, when those turbos kick in, this thing turns into a Formula One race car, and it's indescribable. So we just kind of did a little quick lap around the neighborhood and went and got some drinks, and man, I had fun. A little bit of highway, a little bit of back roads driving, and it was the best car driving experience I've ever had, just in that little, you know, 8-minute time frame. I've never experienced anything like that. And my wife has a Tesla Model X that's electric powered, instant torque. That's a cool car, but it's not fun. Like, it's just kind of boring. And you get that speed and you get that first little, oh wow, that's cool at first, but this is just a completely different animal, and it's absolutely amazing.
Okay, one, the door has to be closed. There's a button on the side. You need to hold the brake for you to go up. I brought this bad boy from Delray Beach.
And how long have you been delivering supercars for a living?
Honestly, about 3 months. Not very long. It's awesome. I've done a lot of things, from the Tesla Model X Plaid to a Porsche GT3. I had a Rolls-Royce Phantom drophead coupe in here. So I mean, it's all like super cool stuff. I'm a big car guy myself, so when it comes down to it, I don't know, I nerd out over this cool car stuff. So all of it is just really invigorating for me, just to be able to be around a lot of that stuff, because let's be honest, in Illinois you don't see a lot of that stuff. The excitement that I see on people's face, the smiles, and the pure joy. I mean, the concentration and happiness on his face is pure joy for me. So.
And you didn't do anything like in Ferris Bueller's Day Off where you take it on a joyride?
No, as much as it would be great to do that, no.
beautiful car. I love the wrap on it. It's gray underneath, but it's got this nice pearlescent, like almost satin or matte white on here. And I mean, the doors open up. We went to a gas station and everybody was like, who's that celebrity? And you know, I'm really a nobody, but it's a cool car and there's a guy following me around with a camera, so you kind of expect that, I guess, a little bit.
I think he's famous. He's an actor. He's that Fast and Furious.
Nah, he ain't no Fast and Furious. Nah, I don't remember him enough.
You know, the doors open up. It's freaking awesome, and the speed and the performance and the look of it is absolutely insane. I mean, you can't ask for any better. Lift off! Oh, it broke it like 60 miles an hour. Did you feel that? First thing's probably going to throw the Instagram tag sticker on it somewhere, so that way when people see it, you know, they can at least know who I am. I'm not a celebrity, but yeah, this thing's definitely going to turn some heads. I mean, when you open up the door like that and you're at the gas station, I mean, everybody's gonna be like, what in the world is that? Especially because we live in a town where there's not a lot of exotics. I mean, there's a few, if even, I don't know, 2 or 3 maybe, if that stay tucked in garages. So this thing's definitely, I'm gonna get it out on the road, I'm gonna have fun with it, and it's definitely gonna turn some heads, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to deal with all the attention. But you know, I'll like it either way. You know, I'll make it work somehow.
0 to 60 test. Garrett, you're at the reins of this beast. Let's see what you can do. Ready? Oh my god, that was 80. Oh wow.
I got my heart rate up.